guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I am Architect Vaibhavi and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in this video, we are going to be discussing about the color theory question bank. In the previous video, we have discussed about the color theory. Okay, so if you haven't watched the video, please go give it a watch, and if you have missed any of the video in case, then please do give it a watch. I will link the playlist over here. You can watch any of the video or all of the videos. So please watch all of the videos, and now let's get started with today's video. So without wasting more time, let's start with the question bank.
So let us discuss about the question bank on color theory. First question is, in the additive color model, if you remove one color, its complementary color is formed from two colors left. So if you remove red, leaving green, then blue, you would see green only, right? So the answer is B. Second, an international printing, publishing and packaging color language is Pantone. You might have heard this word, right? Every year Pantone releases one particular color, which is the color of the year. Okay, keep this in mind also. Then talking about question number 3, which of the following is method of color printing used to produce full color continuous tone copy such as color photo and paintings? It is a process. Okay, so D. Now discussing about the tertiary colors, we know the mixture of both like primary and secondary colors makes our tertiary color. So first is the correct answer, right? Then talking about fifth question, in the subtractive color model, the cyan color absorbs what other color? So the option is C, red. Okay, why? Because cyan, magenta, yellow are the subtractive primary colors. Okay, so each of the additive color absorbs primary colors, like cyan absorbs red, magenta absorbs green, yellow absorbs blue. So the correct answer is C, which is red. Then talking about our sixth question, PMS is a color system for spot colors. Okay, spot colors are solid colors created by pre-mixed ink based on PMS Pantone matching system, right? So the answer is D. Now talking about seventh color, the name of color is called hue. Okay, dash is made from red and yellow when they are mixed together. Orange, right? It's a very simple question. Ninth is subtractive primary color model that subtracts or filters out reflective light from white sheet of paper. So the correct answer is CMYK. What is CMYK? Cyan, magenta, yellow and your key color. Okay, so B is the correct answer. This is the principle of subtractive color, CMYK color. The color process used by printers, cyan, magenta, yellow ink and along with black to filter reflected white from the paper and produce all the colors. So B is the correct answer. Now question number 10, color other than the process color that is usually printed in solid areas for type, line, art, bars, boxes, screen thing is called as spot color. Okay. Now our 11th question, the hues red, yellow, orange are generally considered to be warm colors, right? Question number 12, when some colors are mixed with little of its complement, the result will be that the mixture chroma is lowered. Okay. Night vision depends primarily on rod. Rods are best for low light. Your cones won't help you. Okay. A stained glass window alters the color of incident incoming light primarily by absorption. Okay, why absorption is because it is the process that actually turns sunlight into red light. More specifically, the pigment stained glass selectively absorbs some colors of incoming light while allowing other colors to pass through the glass. Okay, Standing inside Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, you see the red, blue, gold stained glass. The colors that you can see are the light that has been transmitted. Okay, we see the light that makes it all the way through the glass. Okay, so we see light that has been transmitted. Then analogous colors may help create color harmony and are next to each other on the color wheel, right? Are hues without a common parent? No. A and C is the answer, so ultimately D is the answer, right? Answer D is true because analogous colors have hues that lie close to each other on the color wheel. A is also true because in the harmonies, the fact easily built color that have a great deal in common. Analogous hues are very similar visually and have at least one shared parent hue among them, and often two. The phenomena of color after image is also known as successive contrast. Okay, what two colors would you mix to make orange? Yellow and red. So A is the correct answer. Colors that you can see through are called transparent color. Dash color involves the mixing of colored pigments and dyes. Subtractive colors. Okay. What is a hue? A mixture of two primary colors? No. One of the colors of spectrum? No. Mixture of any color with white? No. A mixture of two of the colors of the spectrum. So D is the correct answer. Question number 22. A dash is a color that is mixed with black. As I told you, tint is white, shade is dark, and your tone is grey. So shade and black, right? So C is the answer. 23. You get a dash color by mixing two primary colors. Secondary color, right? Then the colors of the rainbow are also known as dash. It is called as spectrum. Dash color involves the mixing of colored light. Transparent color involves no. Polychrome, no. Additive color involves the mixing of colored lights, right? So C is the answer. Complementary colors are also known as opposite colors, right? Because they are opposite on the wheel. Then we have our next question. Orange can be used as a symbol of creativity. Then talking about our question number 28, blue can be used as symbol of dash. So calming energy, right? You have to learn all of them, okay? Keep all of the answers in mind and you can take a notes of all of these questions and please take screenshots and go through them. Now, which of these mixtures would create a tertiary color? Red and yellow? No. Yellow and blue? No. Blue and red? No. Red and orange? Yeah. So C is the answer. Purple can be used as a symbol of luxury. So B. Then talking about 31, brown can be used as a symbol of humility. So A is the answer. Which of these mixtures would create a secondary color? Orange and green? No. Green and yellow? Also no. Red and yellow can make orange. Right? Purple and blue will make violet. And we want only secondary color. Then these are primary colors which are making secondary. C is the answer. Black can be used as a symbol of evil. Right? We have our red can be used as a symbol of danger. Talking about question number 35. Colors that you cannot see through are called dash color. Colors that you cannot see through are called transparent colors? No. Matte colors? No. Gloss colors? Also no. So opaque. So answer is C. Now talking about what is color theory. An understanding of color problem? Yes. An understanding of how colors mix and virtual impact? Yes. An understanding of how to create harmonious color combinations? Yes. So all of the above, D is the correct answer. 37. The warm colors are yellow, yellow, orange, orange, red, orange, red, red, violet. All of the above, none of the above. All of the above. Okay. Ancient scholars believed colors came from nature and included the following elements. What do you think which elements would be there? So, C is the correct answer. Fire, air, water, earth. Primary colors are red, blue, yellow. So, C is the answer. Artists paint with light colors, pigment colors, nature colors, or both A and B. So, they use pigmented colors. Okay. Then, secondary colors are, what are secondary colors? C is the color answer. C is the answer. The cool colors are yellow, green, green, blue, green, blue, blue, violet, violet. All of the above are cool colors. Okay. If you mix both of them, you will get blue tints and tones. So, warm colors in a picture appear near, appear far, makes no difference to the eye. None of the above. Appear near. The first scientist to reveal the true nature of the color was Sir Isaac Newton. Now talking about 46th question, color wheels were once called color circle. White light comes from the sun. A prism is a black form that colors whatever is viewed through it. A transparent body that is used to deviate or disperse a beam of light. A decorative piece of glass, or none of the above. B is the correct answer. Intermediate colors are all of the above are intermediate colors. Cool colors in picture appear far. Okay.
And yes, I hope I have given all the questions related to the color theory. If you have any queries till now, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll see you in next video. You know the drill. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye.